Hey, what's going on, everybody? DPS reporting here, and today we're trying to record another video. This is the thing after I made myself in Hocus. Hopefully, I said it right, Hocus. They're trying to figure out what more mind games will they have stored for me, so that I can have more stuff, more things, more mind bending games. But it has to go with physics. Without further ado, I just bought this game. Bought all the purchases. I am lucky. I'm not that lucky. And I forgot sounds. Always I forgot sounds. They had good sounds though. Can't even hear it. But let's play the first level, shall we? I heard it's called Idu or Idu. I don't freaking know. Probably the first level. Tap the pad to move Ida, so it's Ida. Hold and rotate. Okay. Hold and rotate. Okay. Whee! I could be a ballerina. Oh! Oh! Mind blown! Oh! That makes more sense. Because I played the whole case, that's good. Okay, Ida. Ida. What the heck that is? Is that Morse code for... Holy crap. This is so good. I was thinking about it. Okay. Always no. I'm too boring. I'm too bored. I'm too boring. Monument Valley. Oh god. Let's see here. I just unlocked everything. I'm so freaking rich. I'm not that rich. One is done. Because I'm a stupid thing. I purchased everything. But on the bright side, look, we're starting a new series together. Let's continue on to chapter 2. Chapter 2, The Garden, in which Ida embarks on a quest for forgiveness. Why do you need forgiveness, Ida, whatever the heck that is? So I guess it's like normal freak platformer thingamaging. I could go down, okay. You can press this. Unlocks the new world. Oh god. No. Stay there, Ida. So you can move this. How do you move this? I'm already confused. Okay, we could go back here. Then we can move this so we can go here. Okay. Then what happens? That raises up. Why did it raise up? How the heck am I going to there now? Oh, mind blown. So you can go here and finish the level. Why can I go there? I can't. Why? Finish the level. I have to get close to it. Why? Why now, Ida? What are you gonna freaking give? Your hat? A prism? It's not a prism. It's a cube. Why do you give it a cube? Oh god. The cube gets bigger. Oh, that makes more sense. Monument Valley. That's all. Well, I guess it's just a tutorial, everything, but it's gonna get more hard. This cube inside another cube, which is more mind blowing. Mind blowing than anything. A cube inside a cube. Boom. Then I'm done for. Chapter 3, The Hidden Temple, in which Ida has an unexpected meeting. Ooh, Booshkis. Okay. I'm gonna go up there. Can I move anything? Nah, I can't do anything. Oh. Okay, I can move that. That's a good thing. So I can move this. Nice. So let's go up here. So I like the sounds. The sound play of this is so cool. Let's go up here. What does it do? Okay, just there. What's this here? Oh, so good. Okay, what else can we control? Okay, step on here. Okay, what? Holy crap. Okay. Now my business just go up there. Freaking rotating temples don't care. That rhymes though. Hopefully you did not there. Oh, the heck are you? Good gorgeous sing shape so special. Okay, it does not. Good. Who are you? You're so infamous things. Don't know you. Long have these old bones waited in the darkness. In darkness. How far have you wandered, I'm silent? Silent princess. I'm not a princess. I'm a freaky boy. Well, Edith. Why are you here? Just stop asking. Why am I here? I'm here to solve physics. Hopefully the physics brain. Oh God. Hopefully this physics brain survived the entire nonsense of everything I've been going through. But holy bossy. There's a finished one. I'm sad it's only 10 chapters, but nah, who cares? Go up here. See there, that's what I'm talking about earlier. It's gonna fall. Some stupid. What am I gonna do now? Ooh. Okay, so you stood in the height of Ida. There we go. Come to there. Come here so you can go to the next one. That is so mind-blowing. Boom, my mind is blown already. So yeah, I can go. Oh! What's this? Oh my goodness. I'm already loving this game. Even though it's such a tutorial. What do you have in your hat now? Your hair is so weird. It's so weird. So we get a cube instead of another cube. I'm gonna call him Cube Squared. No one cares. It's my YouTube channel. It's my responsibility. It's my video. Okay, it's not yours. It's not mine. It's everyone's video. Welcome to chapter 4. I freaking love it already. I want to go to some complex mode. Chapter 4, Water Pass. I like water. My favorite color is blue. Light blue. No, light blue-green. Okay, that's right. Eda discovers new ways to walk. There's only one way of walk. It says right here, if not civilized. Haven't bought that yet. And it becomes a letter. Oh! Mr. Parrot, shut up! Is that even a parrot? I don't freaking know. I think it's a bird. Stupid parrot. Ruining my day. Just click on it. Hoping the bird dies. Oh, the bird doesn't die. Go. Oh! It's like the main level of the Hocus. There's a triangle. Oh. I'm so mind blown already. Ida, what? The freaking best princess. Oh, just automatic walks. Well, holy. I can't control anything. That's bad. Can't control anything that. Oh. Well, she can walk sideways. That's a big sideways matter. Could go to anywhere else, but can I go up here? I can. I'm so mind blown already. Oh my goodness. Where else can walk through? I can walk through up here. I can't. But okay, we need to get that Batones. Best way to get the Batones, the Pippa subs again. Gonna on a way to discover the walk. We're gonna walk. We have to walk. And when I said I want complex levels, I'm already not finishing this. Come on, Ida. You so big brain a buzz. Where can he go? There's nowhere I can go. Is there anything I can move? Anything that I can move? Anything at all? I'm just swiping all over my screen. Hopefully, there's a thing right there. It blends so well. Can't even see it that it's there. Blends only Ida. Oh, that is so beautiful. So on the curve, you get 3%. Okay. I think we know where it's going. I could go to there, but based on what I did in Hocus, I could just move this, make it look like it's connected. Animate to that is so clever. Well, that's why I'm a physicist and all, but God, that thing is so, it's still so clever. It's still so unique. It's still so beautiful, even though you know what happens. What happens here? Oh, it's just rubber sounds. Nope, there's more rays. We're over the lily pads. Yikes. Mr. Bird, will the heck will you shut up? Oh, okay. When, Mr. Bird, are you gonna shut up and post a million theories? What is life? Can you do that? There's two of them! They're screaming! Oh, they're screaming my name. You suck. Oh. Mr. Bird, you suck. Okay. Suck nothing. Okay, wait, come on, okay? I just flip this. Go to that unsuspecting door. Dang it, it's a freaking princess again. What are you gonna say to us? What riddle are you gonna say today? What now? I'm the master of physics. What now? This was the Valley of Men. It's a girl. Why am I doing a voice of men? Okay, I'm gonna change it. Now, now all that remains are our monuments, stripped of their glories. Thieving princess, why have you returned? It's the worst freaking princess queen voice. The history of voices. That's the weirdest thing. Yes, go back to the blues. Oh, Ida, you're so clever. You're so clever. And I guess finish level. That's me spanking my foot, but it's